In this tutorial, we are going to explore the basics of creating calculation forms in Joomla. Right now, on your screen, you can see Car Loan Calculator. Using Balbooa Forms Builder, you can build different types of calculators. All you need is to understand the basics of how calculation fields are working. And in this tutorial, you will find the answer. Navigate to the Joomla dashboard, move to Forms, and create a new form. Let's call it Calculation Form. First, let's create a simple rectangle area calculator. To do this, we need to add two text input fields. Drag and drop text input field from the sidebar. Replace label to width. To protect our form from entering not correct values, navigate to Properties and set numbers in the field validation. To add a second field, just copy the already created field and rename the label to length. Okay, now we need to create a calculation. For that, we're going to use a calculation field. Just drag and drop it from the sidebar. Rename label to Result. And move to the tab, Calculation. Here we need to write our formula. The width must be multiplied by the length. To write the formula, we will use the data tags of our fields. Click on the icon Data Tag. From the list, select Field, Width. Click on the Multiply icon, and add your second field from the list. Again, click on the icon Data Tag and select Field Length. Okay, our formula is ready. Now let's make the field result more expressive and add some design styles. Disable option, inherit global styles, and you will find wide range of design options. Using intuitive options, configure field design to fit your website design. Let's save the form and take a look at how our formula is working. How to display the created form on Joomla site, you will find in the description below. As you can see, by entering values to fields, we can see the result. It was quite a simple example. You can build advanced formulas using unlimited numbers of fields, and you can use different types of fields. Let's add a new field, slider. Just drag from the sidebar. Rename the label to Slider. Move to Field Calculation, tab Calculation. We'll change our formula. And add a slider field to formula. Okay, let's save the form and test. As you can see, our formula works successfully. Let's go back to the form editor. In addition to the slider field, you can also use fields such as checkbox, radio, drop down, and select multiple. Just for example, let's add a checkbox field. As you can see, next to each option you can enter a numeric value. I'll enter 10, 20, and 30. And don't forget to rename the label to the checkbox. Okay, now navigate to Formula and add a field checkbox to the formula. Save the form and let's check. Great, checkbox values in the game. Additionally, the field formula can be used in conditional logic. Navigate to the Conditional Logic editor. From the drop-down field, select the Calculation field. In the next field, you will find a wide range of conditions which can be used. A link to a tutorial with more detailed information about conditional logic can be found in the video description. In this video, we learned the basics of creating calculations. This knowledge will be enough to create any type of calculators for your Joomla website. And as you can see, this can be done without a line of code. All you need to know is basic math, that's all.